Golden State Warriors are going to have a huge target on their backs this season with the addition of Kevin Durant to a loaded roster, and Dubs fans say bring it on.
It's going to be unstoppable. They're going to win the next probably 5 championships, I believe. Can't do nothing about the haters, but we just going to say hi haters and smile at them, man. You know, they're going to watch us shine, you know?
You got to realize this, too, though. If you don't got no haters, then you're not doing your job.
I like that. Hi, haters. Now, Durant was voted the league's most valuable player in 2014. He joins reigning back-to-back MVP Steph Curry. No NBA team has ever featured the last 2 players to win that trophy.
It's great news. Hopefully we could build something special for a long time. Obviously, once-in-a-generation type player. That's why he's so sought after for, and he is going to bring a new dimension to our team, believe it or not. It's going to be a lot of fun for the next however long, but it's going to be a great ride.
Durant is going to have a chance to get to know a couple of his teammates this summer. He's going to play alongside Thompson and Draymond Green at the Olympics in Rio. Coming up in sports, we'll look at some of the moves the Warriors are expected to make to free up room to sign their new star.
Today, President